Assalamualaikum children, how are you doing? Hmm? I want you to meet a very, bizarre family that likes nothing better than going around the world. Okay, so and then they say, "Wish you were here," and that is the name of the book. Wish you were here. My family travel quite lot. They travel everywhere. Wish you were here, they write to me, but I'd rather not be there. No, me, I don't go anywhere. I like my cushioned chair. They say it's nice to travel, to wander, and to roam, but I feel that no matter what, there's no place quite like home. Oh, me, I don't go anywhere. I like the local air. Why trudge across a desert? Why fly over a sea when all my relatives can send their pictures home to me? So, me, I don't go anywhere. I prefer here to there. Grandpa Long at the Eiffel Tower, Paris. Grandpa Long has nimble toes. He dances wherever he goes. He danced along the Paris streets. He did a jig and tapped his feet. He jigged right up the Eiffel Tower, but there he went too far. The Eiffel Tower is very tall. My grandpa Long, well, he had a great fall. See that? Hmm. Have you been to the Eiffel Tower? No? Okay. Let me ask you something else then. Cousin, no, I'll tell you something else. Cousin Pilla. Cousin Pilla's a fussy sort. She went to Rome and found it hot. Venice made her fume and fret because she got her toenails wet. At Pisa, she was most irate that they didn't set the tower straight. She told them, I don't want to wangle, but I object to its acute angle. That's the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, right? And you know where that is? That is in Italy, right? Uncle Tetrahedron in a great pyramid in Egypt. Uncle Tetra had 4 points to make. He made them clear and slow. The first was 1, the second, 2, the third was 84. The fourth he said, and then he stopped and never spoke a word. And he now lives in a pyramid in Egypt, so we heard. See that? All right. I'm going to um, make you meet with my other relatives also. Brother Marble. My brother Marble's rather slow. He thinks to think things through. He ponders for an hour if you should ask him, how are you? He sat before the Taj Mahal for 13 days and nights, and at the end, he quietly said, this building's very white. You know the Taj Mahal in Agra in India? Right. Okay. And where did great aunt Caddy go? My great aunt loves to wash. She likes to keep things clean. She washes up 3 times a day and 5 times in between. She scrubs and scrapes and brushes and rinses everything. And when she's done, she starts again right from the beginning. When she saw Victoria Falls, she cried, oh, this is smashing! If I had brought some soap along, I'd have done a whole month's washing. There she is. And do you know where the Victoria Falls are? Have you heard of the country Zimbabwe in Africa? That's where they are. Okay, now nephew Andavata. My nephew Andavata is very, very shy. When you ask him a question, he mumbles in reply. He never does say hello and he rarely says goodbye. But at the Great Barrier Reef, when a shark swam by, he blushed a deep tomato red and suddenly shouted, "Hi!" There he is. And you know that the Great Barrier Reef is in Australia. Yes. Sister Touchbera. Touchbera, my little sister, was born so small we nearly missed her. We took her home inside a cup and used a spoon to pick her up. But after that, she grew, and now no one can call her tiny. She went to New York and she found the top of Liberty's head was shiny. You see that? How big she is now? And where do you think she went? You are right, the Statue of Liberty in New York, right here in the USA. And Aunt Parapeta, my maternal aunt Parapeta, wrote me a warm and touching letter from China. She wrote it in Chinese, so I couldn't see what she wanted to say to me from China. I wrote her a reply, simple and plain. Could you write to me again from China? She replied, this time in Cantonese. Except for the words, my dear niece, in China, I gave up then and tried to call, but they said she'd gone to climb the Great Wall of China. Yes. You do know about the Great Wall of China that the Chinese built hundreds of years ago, don't you? All right, let's see who is left now. My brother in law, Lava. Lava, who's my brother in law, is a VP sort of bloke. He whimpers at a funny tale and blubbers at a joke. He went to see Fujiyama. He'd heard that it was nice, but when he saw the snow capped peak, the tears came to his eyes. He moaned and cried and bawled and wailed when asked why he was weeping. He sobbed that it was sad to see a volcano that's sleeping. Mount Fuji, Fujiyama in, yes, in Japan. That's right. You know that, don't you? Okay, my family, like I was telling you, my family roams around the world, north, south, east, west. But when they are back, they always say that home, sweet home is best. So, me, I don't go anywhere. Why wander here and there? I stay home, right? And you stay home because these days we are all staying home. Is that so? Yes. All right. I'll see you tomorrow then.